Hello everyone, welcome again to Build with AI. And for today's video, we are going to talk about Build Your Personal AI Second Brain, the system that remembers everything so you don't have to. So you know the feeling. You're in the shower, or on a walk, or lying in bed half awake, and you have a genuinely good idea. Not just an okay idea, a really good one. The kind that feels obvious and important at the same time. And you think, I'll remember that. And then you sit down at your desk 2 hours later and it's just gone. Or this one. You had a great conversation with a client 6 months ago where they said something that would be incredibly useful right now. You vaguely remember it. You know it's somewhere in your notes, maybe your phone, maybe a notebook, maybe a Google Doc you made 3 laptops ago. Effectively lost. These aren't memory failures, they are systems failures. And the solution isn't to try to remember more, it's to build a system that remembers to you. The concept of a personal second brain has been around for a few years, popularized by Tiago Forte. And the core idea is simple: an external digital system that captures everything you want to remember, organizes it intelligently, and makes it searchable and actionable when you need it. Think of it as your intellectual infrastructure: meeting notes, ideas, research, decisions, project updates, insights from books and podcasts, all in one place, all retrievable in seconds. What AI adds to this concept is a capability that wasn't possible until recently: the ability to synthesize and surface information conversationally. Instead of searching for notes, you ask questions. What did I decide about the pricing strategy last quarter? What were the main concerns the client raised in our last meeting? The AI reads your notes and answer. It's not just storage, it's active recall. Here's the stack I recommend. Notion is the home base. It's flexible, powerful, and handles structured and unstructured information equally well. Claude as the intelligence layer for summarizing, synthesizing, and generating insights from your captured notes. Voice memos on your phone for instant capture anywhere. You speak the idea, AI transcribes and files it, and make .com or Zapier to automate the filing process so your captures actually land in the right place without you having to organize everything manually. This step requires a few hours to set up. After that, it runs in the background, so most of your interactions with it will take less than a minute. The most important thing about your second brain is that you actually use it, and consistently, as if the capture process is almost frictionless. Not easy, almost frictionless. 10 seconds or less. Any more than that, and it won't happen in the moments that matter. The approach I use: everything goes into an inbox first, not organized, not categorized, just captured. Voice memo while walking, quick notes in Notion from my phone, a forwarded email, a screenshot. The inbox is the collection point. The organization happens later, in a 10-minute weekly review, not in real time. Voice to text is particularly powerful here. Instead of typing a note, which requires your hands and your attention, you speak it. Idea for the content series: start with the hiring video because it has the highest business intent. Then build from there. 30 seconds. AI transcribes it, formats it as a note, and it's your system. The idea doesn't escape. Capturing is only half of it. The second brain becomes truly powerful when it helps you turn information into action. Here's an example. You finish an hour client meeting. Instead of spending 20 minutes writing up notes, you paste your rough transcript or voice recording into Claude with a prompt. Extract the key decisions made, the actions items with owners and deadlines, and risk or concerns raised, and the agreed next steps. 2 minutes later, you have a clean meeting summary. You send it to the client and file it in your second brain. Done. Another example: you do a deep research on a topic, reading 3 articles, watching a video, taking scattered notes. You paste everything into Claude and ask, distill this into a 5 point summary of what I need to know and any gaps in my understanding. You get back a clear, actionable briefing. That's the distilled version that goes into your second brain, not the raw research, the insight. Here's the thing about a second brain that most people don't fully appreciate until they've been running one for 6 months or more. It compounds. Your notes from 18 months ago connects to an idea you had last week, a decision you made 2 years ago properly documented, and whether it should change, patterns emerge across time that you couldn't have seen in the moment. Your second brain gets smarter the longer you use it, and so do you. So that's it for today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to Build with AI for more videos. See you on the next one.